What's going on YouTube? It's Mike here. Today guys, in this video we're going to be talking about T-Mobile introducing the iPhone 5 on their network. Now what you probably just heard me say sounds a little bit odd. T-Mobile and iPhone, there's just no connection there. And well, to kind of get to the point here, T-Mobile has officially announced that they're going to be introducing the iPhone, made by Apple of course, to their network line. And what I mean by that is T-Mobile is now going to offer the iPhone 5 as one of their phones. So you're no longer going to need to buy an unlocked iPhone 5 for $649 or whatever it starts at on Apple.com. Just to put your T-Mobile SIM card in, you'll be able to get the iPhone 5 at a new contract fee for $199 obviously, starting April 12th. As you can see here on T-Mobile's website, it says coming April 12th to T-Mobile, and you can sign up now and fill out all your information to be notified when it does come available. So, like I said, they're just going to be charging $199. It's the only iPhone that's ever come to T-Mobile, so that now means it's going to be on AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, and however many other carriers and however far you want to go. But since it's T-Mobile, it is quite a big announcement because people have kind of been waiting for it for years, and it just never came, even though we expected it for so long. So it's finally here. I mean, what else could you want? But my opinion on this kind of differs from the excitement, as excited as you T-Mobile customers are. I don't know if really Apple's on board to begin with this. I mean, Apple's going to be manufacturing the phones now that are meant to work with T-Mobile's network, but T-Mobile has kind of flown so downhill lately. I don't see why Apple would kind of be giving them the opportunity to be selling the iPhone 5, if you guys know what I mean. T-Mobile actually updated their website a few days ago, and they're saying, they're not just a cell phone seller anymore. Now they're actually going to do everything different. T-Mobile's now going to start offering deals with their plans and stuff that are completely the opposite of pretty much the formal carriers that you hear of, AT&T, Verizon, and Sprint. So kind of means if you have limited data on AT&T, well, now you have unlimited on T-Mobile. Or you get, 6 hours for talking for one AT&T plan, well, that's all going to be unlimited. Sort of like that. So what T-Mobile wants to do is they want to be the opposite of everything, and they're trying to use it as an approach to get more customers in or to make the switch from any of those carriers that I listed right to T-Mobile since they're offering such hot deals. And quite frankly, after reading what I read through of how they're offering ultra-fast 4G LTE speeds with FaceTime, HD voice, and all that other good stuff, honestly, I don't see why it would be a bad deal. As much feeling toward not liking T-Mobile to begin with, just because they headed so downhill, and AT&T and Verizon and even a little bit of Sprint, they were all on top of it, to see this interesting comeback just out of nowhere, maybe not from Apple, but even T-Mobile themselves, I just think it's completely interesting and out of the blue. Like, think about it, if Steve Jobs were here, would he let that happen? He probably wouldn't let a lot of things that currently happen at Apple happen anyways, but it's so interesting that they've avoided it for so long, and now they're finally doing it. Sprint was one thing when they introduced it 2 years ago with the iPhone 4S, but this is just a whole different category with T-Mobile. Most of you long-time iPhone kind of geeks, or whatever you want to call it, would probably understand better. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to go on a little bit and tell you my opinions and thoughts about T-Mobile with the iPhone 5 and stuff, and also just let you know, for those who are with T-Mobile and have been dying to get an iPhone, here's your chance. Again, be sure to check out the website in the description that I showed in this video. There will be a link down below if you are a T-Mobile customer or want to switch, and go pre-order your iPhone 5 for $199. Like I said, it's not a bad deal if you are a T-Mobile user. Definitely do it now because iPhone 5s sell out very quickly. Obviously they're in stock now, but since it's now on T-Mobile, I could see it selling out decently quick. I mean, there are a decent number of users with T-Mobile, right? That's pretty much it. You're just going to have to wait till April 12th when T-Mobile finally unleashes it in terms of shipping dates or store releases. It honestly beats me because I've been with AT&T forever, pretty much. So, but definitely stay tuned for that stuff. Maybe I'll keep you guys updated. It all depends how T-Mobile plans to work this out, and I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please leave some comments below on your thoughts. Of course, rate, give this video a thumbs up, and click the subscribe button below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.